Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm Base Box and this is a Glam Bag X month, not a plus, so we can't battle it. So let's just get in and see what's in my Boxycharm Base Box. A $27.99 box from Boxycharm. It is their original beginning of the line box. You have 5 products. I think they say $125 in value or more. You will have a choice with it. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. The base box is always the red box. And here's our paperwork, and that's what I'm getting. In theory, I only know the one thing that I picked. So let's glass up and see what this month's theme is. Boxycharm, Dusk Till Dawn. That is what it looks like. The back will tell me a little bit about everything that I received, and my variation is 27. So let's just dig right in. I'm going to tell you right off the top, I know there are people that would have probably been so thrilled to receive this. It is the Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. I will put this in a giveaway. We've had a couple lately that I've just gotten shipped off, so I'm very happy about that. This is the lactic acid and licorice root all-in-one lactic acid treatment, and it has lactic acid and licorice root. So this is a definite no for me because lactic acid would melt my face off, kind of like in Indiana Jones when he chose poorly. And it has licorice root, which I am also allergic to. So this is a definite no for me, but people love this product and it's not a cheap one. The paperwork says this targeted treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines and wrinkles and dark spots. It exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, it visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration for naturally brighter, even skin tone. And it has an $85 value. So $27.99 box, $85 value. I mean, you can't beat it. If you can use this and or if you love it, you can't beat that price. Next out, we have, I have no idea what this is, Shadow Moon, reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. Well, that is very interesting. I don't have whatever this is, so I am very intrigued. The paperwork says this is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner for a perfect application. It doubles as an under-eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes. Well, I might use it for that. Cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff your under-eye area. It's designed with a grip, so no adhesive is needed. It has a $15 value. Okay, I am intrigued. Oh, it slides out like, okay. So this end is much thicker. Can you see and then this end is razor thin. So in theory, you just, I guess, so I'm right-handed, so this isn't going to be easy when I'm doing my right eye, because in theory I'm going to have to hold it with my left. I'll be playing with this. I will report back what I think. It's so thin. I said razor thin, but it's a really thin silicone. It has some give to it, so you can see where it would adhere like to the edge of your eye. Okay, that is intriguing. I don't have one of those. It's new, so I can fully appreciate that they're trying something different. Okay, next out we have Coconut Kisses. Yeah, you guys know I love coconut. Nourishing lip mask. It's hashtag Give Them Lala. Okay, so it's a Give Them Lala product. That is what it looks like. And this says, this nourishing lip mask provides your lips with the ultimate hydration to leave them feeling soft and plump. A generous layer before bedtime locks in moisture for refreshed, soft, perfectly kissable lips. And it has a $22 value. Well, let's take off the overwrap on this because we both know I'm using coconut. I guess I probably should have read the ingredients first. Okay, read the ingredients. I'm gonna go with the ingredients. It's just a little mint tub. See what it smells like, because that's what we want to know, right? Oh, keep the lid. It is very faintly, it's just a nice, it's a balm. It is just a very faintly scented coconut. That's probably a good thing though, because this is an at-night treatment, so you're going to slather this on and go to sleep. Do you really want to smell like you're laying on the beach? It smells good though. I like that, so we're 2 for 3 now. Next out, I have a Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle. There are a lot of things in that description that I'm not sure I love. That's what the box looks like. Let's take it out. What color do I have? Does it say? Does it? Glam. Ooh, that's not scary. Oh, okay. It's not as scary as I thought. It's just kind of bronzy. That is what it looks like. We guys, you and me here. We have discussed in the past, I am not really great with liquid eyeshadows. Let's see what this says. Velvety, easily blendable. This metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply and blends easily and wears all day. And it has a $20 value. That's a hard decision. You guys want to see it, right? Okay, let's get into it. I am only doing this because I suspect if it's something that I don't love, it looks like something my daughter would. Oh, it's a little darker now that I've gotten it open. Oh no, that's not bad. It's very smooth when you first put it on. It's just kind of a bronze color. Let's see if it's easily blendable. Oh yeah, this might work. It's blending out lighter than I was afraid. I was afraid it was going to stay super dark, but when you blend it out, that is what it looks like. Okay. I might can make that work. The problem is I seldom, because I have hooded eyes, I seldom just do one color. That looks pretty cool though. I like it. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, last out we have my OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. This was my choice. That's what that looks like. Let's take it out of that overwrap. If somebody ever asked me what my latest hobby is, I'm going to say wrestling to get cosmetics out of their packaging. That's my new hobby. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was like, okay, I got it out of here. I just dipped it out and it's in another overwrap. I mean, yay, it's protected. Woohoo. It's my new hobby. That is hilarious. This was just to protect the metal so it didn't get other people's fingerprints on it, I suspect, because that is highly reflective and I'm sure it's gonna fingerprint quite easily. So this is shade 4 and I chose it. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it was not a lightest to darkest situation because there are very few times in life where I am not shade 1. It's very pretty. I have something that looks very much like this, but I'm gonna take this off because I really like these colors. You can see it's a peach blush and a highlighter and a bronzer. I did good. I think that they're very usable for me. This says OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. As part of the new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blusher, proving to be the perfect multifunctional beauty kit. In true OPV style, Glow Perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allows them to really pop on the skin. Each formula delivers shade longevity and will stay put for the duration of the day following application. $34. So this was what I chose. Let's go ahead and swatch these. They feel really nice, kind of creamy, creamy. Yeah, they feel creamy. I was gonna say not too creamy, but it's a really, so this is bronzer, highlighter, blush. Yeah, I did good. That's a bronzer, highlighter, blush on the back of my hand. So I think those are completely wearable for me. And this would be a good travel kit because I think all 3 of those work, which means I don't have to take anything else. All right, I am very happy with my choice and I remembered it. Did you guys notice I remembered my choice? That was my August Boxy Base Box. We have my choice, which was the OPV Face Palette, the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, the Galactic Liquid Eyeshadow, the Give Them La La Coconut Lip Mask, and the Shadow Moon, which is a reusable shadow shield. I am intrigued. I am happy with this month. I love that this is new and different. I hope that it works, but it'll be fun to try either way. I really like the choice that I made. This is fantastic. We're getting ready to do a little bit of traveling, so I love that I have something that is going to, I hope, of course I still have to use it, but looks like it's gonna work really well for me. I do this every night, so I am always happy to have more of that. This I will gladly pass along. I know somebody will be thrilled to receive it. I'm gonna play with this. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know, have you gotten your Boxy base? Did you like what you got? I will put my link below if you're interested. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that with them. And I just love it. You know, people say, which makeup box would you keep? And for the last couple of months, I have done Ipsy versus Boxy because I think that the Boxy base box is really comparable to the Ipsy Plus. You get 5 products. They come usually about the same value. And you'll see that we have favorites, you and I. We pick each month when I say, okay, who do you think won? Sometimes it's Ipsy, sometimes it's Boxy. So it is very difficult to pick a favorite. I won't have my Ipsy Plus this month, so we'll see how the Glam Bag X does, which is their upgraded Ipsy. When I do that, it's due either today or tomorrow, I think, so we'll be doing that soon. Okay, thanks so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.